Hi, my name is Kate Gallagher-Kuhn. I'm a dentist in Maryland, a general dentist. I came out here to Phoenix to the Implant Education Company so that I could become more proficient in implants. I've placed about 20 before coming here. I placed 8 in the last 3 days and got a lot of experience with different kinds of surgery, grafting, membranes, lots of extractions. I'm really glad that I came. The instructors are great. We ran into some circumstances that needed to be correcting, and I learned how to do that, learned how to problem solve. So it's great when implants are perfect and it's a smooth, easy procedure, but it was really great to learn how to deal with some complications and correct things for the best outcome possible. I'm glad that I came, and I look forward to coming back.